So I have taken that particular data set. This is the data set. Okay. It's taking time to load. Okay. This is the data up to December 6. Okay. Up to December 6. This is the data. Now, if I'm having the data set in which a few records of December 7 is also there, like you can see, this is regarding December 7. Only 2 records extra are there. Okay. This is having records up to 113. Okay. And here 115 data is there. Okay. You can see over records are there. Okay. Up to 115. Okay. You can see these 2 rows are regarding 7th December, yesterday. Okay. Now, if you want this particular data to in your, Power BI, what you should do, you have to save it in the same location with same name, and you have to refresh the Power BI. Okay. So what I'm going to do right now, in this project, this is the name of that particular Excel sheet, and it is December 6th, data of December 6th. Okay. Now what I will do, I will take the December 7th data. Okay. I will copy it and I will paste it over here. I will delete this one right now. Okay. I will delete this one. And here I will paste the new one. Okay. New. Sorry. I have to simply paste it. Now I will rename it. Okay. I have to rename it. Okay. That's it. Okay. Now all done. Now what I should do right now, you can clearly see it is up to 6th December only, right? Last record is regarding 6th December. Now what I will do, actually I will refresh it. Okay. There is an option called refresh. When I will refresh it, changes will get, the thing will get changed. Now you can see it is 115 records, right? Here you can see last record is including December 7th also. The last 2 records regarding December 7th is also included. Is it clear to you that how you should deal with it?
Yes, ma'am.
Simply refresh is enough for it. Okay, just copy paste the new file over the same location with same name and refresh it. That's it, nothing else. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
That's how you can do it. Rest of your analysis will get change accordingly. Whatever analysis you have done, na, things will change accordingly because same variable you are using, na. The entire data set is having same variables. This all variables are same only. Okay. So I hope this helped you. So Simran and Ibrahim, you have some doubt? Simran and Ibrahim?
No, I'm working on my testing.
Yes, Ibrahim?
I say everything okay. I'm working on my testing.
Okay, okay. Simran, you have some doubt?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Shashank?
So, but
I've sent you my task.
Okay, okay. Wait.
Task today only.
Today, yeah, okay, got it.
There are 2 versions. One is a detailed one, and the other one is a summarized one.
Okay.
Shown you the summarized one the day before yesterday, and the detailed one is also there today. You can have a look at it, but there are 44 pages.
44 pages, okay.
4 pages. That means there are categories within categories. So there. As you have told, I have included all the products.
Okay,
In,
okay, great. Great work,
also
Shashank.
try to make. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, what you wanted to ask? Yes, Shashank?
Ma'am, can you please send the task 5,
Yes, sure. Your group number?
batch 18.
18th. Okay.
Ma'am, I have doubt in task 5.
Okay, wait.
Like, what are we supposed to do in that task? I want to ask that.
Task 5, Olifair task, right? I will change that task. I think many of you.
Yes, means like,
Okay, okay. I will change that task. I will change it. Okay. Okay. So, what is your group number?
mine is 15, ma'am.
15. You got task 5 already. Already you got task 5.
Yeah, I've got task 5.
Okay. In that case, what is your, okay, I have not noted your name. If you are not okay with task 5, I can change it for you. But
No,
who
like,
asked actually?
what,
Zuhad, right?
Zuhad, yeah. What are we supposed to do in that task? Like, what analysis?
Like one of the student have done an analysis, a simple analysis you have to do. That's it, nothing else.
Like,
I will show what she have done.
ma'am, you marked my task 4, right? I showed you. You marked it.
Yes, yes.
All right.
Okay, so this is the work done by an intern. Like whenever we are selecting a particular category, corresponding product will appear over here. And this is regarding how many categories are there, how many total products are there, and corresponding to different categories, how many products are there, that kind of data. A simple dashboard.
Same to task 4, right? What we did for your shops, calculating number of products.
Almost similar. But
Oh.
I think this is not done. If you want, I can change the task too. I mean this task.
Sorry, ma'am.
I mean, if you.
Yeah, better, no?
Yeah.
Can you send the new updated task
Yeah,
file?
I will send it in the chat box. Okay.
All right.
Those who are
Chat
having
box or
problem.
group? Acha,
Zuhad, your group number is 18.
15.
15. Okay. You already got the task, right?
Yeah, I got the task already.
Mm.
I've got task 6 also. I'm a bit behind
Okay, no problem.
Ma'am,
schedule.
task 5 in group 18.
Yes.
Task 5, group 18.
Group 18. Okay.
Did you mark my task 4?
Wait. What was the last task given to task, I mean group 18? Anybody remember, anybody from this group, do you remember that?
Web scraping.
Regarding what topic?
Your shop. Categories and subcategories within it.
Okay, so take this one as task 5. Okay. HRX.
Okay.
For group 15?
For group 15, many of them have already done it. If you want, you can go with HRX front. Okay. I'll post it over here. Okay.
Many of from group 15 have done task 5?
I mean,
Olifair.
task 5. Yeah, regarding Olifair only, I have given you this task. Instead of
Yeah, from
Olifair, you can go with
group
this HRX.
15, many have already submitted task 5, you're saying.
I think one of the student has submitted. I don't remember from which batch she is. Today morning in today's morning status call, she have submitted that particular thing.
Okay.
Her name, I have not noted her name actually. She sent it in my WhatsApp only.
From group 15.
Wait a second, I will check out. She's from group 17.
Uh,
Okay, she have done
I'm
that.
fifth element.
She's from group 17 actually, not from group 16,
Yeah,
15.
Yeah. So because I know 15, nobody has done task 5 till now. That's why
Okay,
I'm
okay.
saying.
Okay, then you can work on this task also. No issues with it. I will find new task in that case.
HRX is task 6 actually for us. So,
Okay.
but I mean, I can do Oliver. Let me try it once. If it's
Okay,
not
okay,
happening, then
you try it. If you are having any difficulty, I can give you other task also.
okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Done.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. Shall I close the meeting? Any problem? I mean, you want to ask something?
I'm sorry, ma'am, but I'm asking you once again. Did you mark my task?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Welcome. Okay. Shall I close the meeting, all of you? Okay.
Yes,
bye.
ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Bye.